Hello, welcome back. In the previous lesson, you learned how to include notes for your testers with your beta or your test app. But how can we automatically generate these notes using our Git history? That's what you are going to learn today. If you recall, we created a postcode script during the making dependencies such as Xcodebot available to Xcode Cloud lesson. Now, where should we write our scripts for generating nodes? Postcode, pre-Xcodebuild, or post-Xcodebuild? Well, you could technically place the script in any of these places, but postcode is preferred because we only need the nodes after we have built the project. Let's head to Xcode and create a post-Xcodebuild shell script. Treat this as a challenge and see if you remember how to do it. Feel free to pause the video now if you like to try it on your own. The first step is to create a CI scripts folder. And then create a new shell scripts. And name it CI underscore post underscore Xcodebuild. And we do not need to select any target. Save it. I have provided you with the code to extract the first 3 lines of your Git history. Copy this code into your shell script. The script will first create a test file directory and then generate the file what-test.en/us.txt. To better test the code, remember to delete your test folder that we created on the previous lesson. Push the code and run the test file build. You should be able to see the node in your test file. However, I will not show you in this lesson. If you are interested in learning how to change ad icon for your CA team with a CI postcode script, you can check out our next lesson. But remember and make sure to hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss out the lesson.